Hey guys, my name is Venu and in this video I'm going to show you guys my brand new keyboard which I bought few days ago. It's a Ant Esports mechanical keyboard. The model number is kinda big so I don't want to read that, but I showed in the screen so it doesn't matter. I was using a lot of membrane keyboards up until now and this is my first time using the mechanical keyboard, so I can tell the difference between these two. My last keyboard is actually HP keyboard and it does have the the RGB lights. That HP keyboard was a membrane one and the spring got broken so I couldn't use it anymore. So I decided to buy the mechanical keyboard this time, so here we are. As I was unboxing, my nephew just got curious what's inside this box, so he decided to help me out. Thank you, dude. For the safety precaution, they did a lot of bubble wraps, so it's harder to unbox without the use of the knife. I'm just doing it with the bare hand. So I'll just do the fast forwarding so we can see the keyboard directly without wasting any time. This is how the box will looks like for this keyboard. And I'm pretty sure this one is made from China. But nowadays a lot of products from China is actually good, so it's not that big of a deal. This keyboard cost actually around 2000 rupees when I bought this. It's actually a good price if you ask me. As you guys can see, this is actually a mechanical keyboard with the RGB lights, and especially it's a gaming keyboard and with a lot of functions. It's all for the 2000 rupees is actually pretty much a good deal. I'm actually making this video after personally using this keyboard, and the typing experience for this keyboard is actually very OP. If you ask me, it's actually better to do the typing in this mechanical keyboard rather than the membrane keyboards. You can actually feel every key you are typing. When I compared to the membrane keyboard and the mechanical keyboard is actually dominated the membrane keyboard. Sometimes we will wonder like, did we even press that key 2 times? That kind of similar problems will happen in the membrane keyboards. But this mechanical keyboard is actually very different. I can actually feel every key that I press, and also it's very smooth and I don't have to press that much hard. The company did give me some kind of coupon code for the World of Warships game, and I did try to enter the coupon code, but unfortunately it did expire. So I think the coupon code will expire even if you don't claim it for a long time. So if you bought this one and if you are lucky, your coupon code might still be valid and you can claim the coupon code. The top of the keyboard is actually made of the metal frame, and behind this keyboard you can find the keyboard stand which you can use if you want. As for the keyboard cable, it's very quality one. Now let me show you how much RGB lights it can glow and which patterns. You'll be surprised, it has a lot of patterns and it's very great. Now let me show you how much RGB lights it has. First off, you can change the RGB light patterns just by pressing FN and insert button and delete button. This way you will have access to a lot of RGB pattern lights. To be honest, it has a lot of RGB patterns. I may not be able to show all of that, so what I'm going to do is that I will do the little bit fast forwarding so you guys can see a lot of them. And you don't have to wait for like 4 to 5 minutes to see everything. That's a good thing, right? Some of you may wonder like what kind of sound our keyboard will make when we type. I will also show that in this video. So after watching these effects, you can just skip to the part where I have showed the keyboard sounds, or you can just continue watching it. It's up to you either way. This keyboard is actually a louder one, so I have tried to do the live streaming with this one. As you play and do the live streamings, you will definitely hear the sound in your microphone. You also have to press different combination in order to change different kinds of LED lights. That key combination is like FN and the number keys. Number keys is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. These are the number keys. If you press this with this combination, you will see different sets of colors. I actually like this keyboard even better than my previous one because this one is OP, literally OP one. Although it does make some noises while I'm doing live streams, I still like this one. It's very comfortable to use, and also it's a gaming one and it has pretty lights. Yeah. Besides, it's a quality one as it has metal frames and strong keys and the quality cable. Now it's time for me to show you guys the keyboard sound. Right now I'm going to do a little bit of sample typing and I'm going to record the sound also. For that, my microphone is going to be near my keyboard. Now I'm going to do the same typing, but the microphone is going to be near me and the mic and the keyboard has a little bit of distance. It will change depending on what kind of microphone you are using, how much noise suppression your microphone has. But I'm using Blue Yeti microphone, so let's see. As you guys can see, the price is actually increased a little bit. But it doesn't matter because when I bought this it was like 2000 rupees. But right now it says like 2198 rupees. It's still an amazing keyboard, so if you're interested to buy this one, I will leave the link in the description below. And I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.